Hello everyone, this is Tinch, and today we're going to be learning Knocking on Heaven's Door by Bob Dylan. We're going to be both covering the chords and the rhythm, so I'm just going to pack it up all in one video, and yeah, that's kind of about it. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright, so we're going to be playing this song using, I think, around 4 chords, including G, D, C, and A minor. I think the order is not changing throughout the song, and so is the rhythm. The order is G, D, A minor, and then G, D, C. So imagine 2 lines. The first line would be, this is the first line, and the second line it goes. So it's changing the last chord of that 3-chord progression thing. And so the order is not changing if you have it like G, D, A, M, G, D, C. So it's always repeating that. And the rhythm is simply... This rhythm, I think I have covered this in the song Shape of You. It's simply down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so when we play it, G, D, A, M, G, D, C with the rhythm. Okay, let's play it a little faster. It goes on like that. Okay, so all you have to know is that the progression is G, D, A, M, G, D, C, and the rhythm is going to be down, down, up, down, up. Okay, obviously you can change this rhythm, this pattern, you can improvise it yourself, but that is what usually people start with, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so let's play it once, and then yeah, that's gonna be that. Okay, and that's about it. If you have any questions or any concerns, please leave it in the comment section. I'll try to answer them. Otherwise, class dismissed. Thanks. Cheers.